Well, my friends, this is a case of mental disorder. This lady, aged about 22 years, she was working at a railway office. After hearing the history, I have understood that there may be a history of mild mental shock from her senior personnel. She applied for some holidays, holiday leaves, and probably the officer in charge, the controlling officer, behaved to some extent rude way like that. We do not know the exact phenomenon. After that, the symptoms are developed slowly and gradually, some abnormality of the mental symptoms. There is fear, pride, some delusions. In one word, some symptoms of schizophrenia developed. Suspiciousness, as if she will be murdered, as if persons are observing her, etc., etc. And look the countenance, that means the facial expressions of the lady is something abnormal from the normal. She talks less, looks like vagabond, indifference, and there is taciturn, less talk. She is her mother. I have learned the symptoms, the symptomatology from her mother. So this is the main symptom for which she was treated by allopathic psychiatrists. So many prescriptions are there, and after taking the allopathic medicines, the condition was not improving, rather she is deteriorating day by day. A lady is brought to our junior homeopaths. So this is our homeopathic friend, practitioner. He is practicing at Kharagpur. Dr. Mrinmoy Shashmal. He convinced the party that the condition is deteriorating by allopathy. It is better to consult our senior, Dr. Bourbon. And the patient is brought by him. Thanks, Dr. Mrinmoy. So the case taking was done, one of my junior friends, and he selected himself Staphysaceae. However, after taking the case, what I have observed, there is great indifference looking, sadness, taciturn. And is there any other symptom? This indicates phosphoric acid to me, to my mind. Is there any other symptoms? Is there any other symptoms of phosphoric acid is found or not? I have asked some questions. I have asked to her mother, is there any frequency of urination, which is another physical general symptom of phosphoric acid? Her mother claimed that yes, the symptom is present. There is frequency of urination, frequent of বারবার প্রস্রাব করতে একটা বাথরুমে যাওয়ার টেন্ডেন্সি আছে. So with these symptoms, one is a strong physical general and one is strong mental observative symptoms by me. I have prescribed phosphoric acid 34 doses. And let's see, wait for a few days. I shall show you the follow-up of the case.